What does an ideal day look like for you? I am talking about that perfect day that when you go to bed, you're thinking, that was amazing. I have asked over 1,000 women this question, and the majority of them can't answer it. And I want to change that. I want to see more women living out their ideal days. My name is Tonya Lee. I'm the founder of French Kiss Life, which is all about living artfully and well. I'm also the creator of the Slim Chic and Savvy Immersion program, which is about slimming your life of whatever's weighing you down, living your life in your unique style, and cultivating the mindset so that you know how to create lasting change in your life. And as soon as a woman joins Slim Chic and Savvy, I gift them with the Passion Discovery Guide. This is a guide where I walk you through how to create your ideal day and not just write it on paper, but how to begin to incorporate it into your everyday life so that one day you'll wake up and you'll realize, wow, I'm actually living out that day that I wrote about a year ago, 2 years ago. You see, when I first did this exercise, I was working as a critical care nurse. I was overweight. I was extremely overwhelmed and I was just exhausted. And someone recommended that I do this. And so I remember, first of all, having that moment of, I don't know what my ideal day is, which, by the way, I don't know is just an excuse to stay where you are. I always say, just guess, just pretend, just write something down to get the momentum going. So finally, I said to myself, Tonya, just dream. Just give yourself the space to dream about if you could create your ideal day, what would it look like? And so I wrote it down in detail. And I remember looking at it and thinking, girl, this is so far from where you are and who you are. But today, I'm living out that ideal day. In fact, I've gone on to create more and more ideal days because I want to be a woman that's constantly growing and evolving and stretching herself. And I would love for you to join me. I would love to gift you the Passion Discovery Guide for absolutely free. When you download it, you'll get a copy of the PDF as well as an audio where I walk you through the process of discovering your ideal day and how to put it into action. Because here's what I've come to understand. To master your life, you need to master your days. And I want us to be women who know how to master our day because I think when we do that, we're going to look back on our lives and think, wow, that was amazing. So to get started, I'd love for you to think about just one little thing that you see yourself doing or experiencing in your ideal day and write it down in the comments below. I look forward to supporting you and creating your ideal day.